Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. If you want all IT courses videos currently what are technology using in market, how to place the job, how to crack the interview, those videos are available in our channel. These videos are useful our career. Please subscribe our channel, click bell icon, like, share, subscribe. Let's go to topic. Are you looking to start your career in cloud computing? Want to become a Microsoft Azure expert? This course is for you. Course topic: Microsoft Azure. We are excited to announce our Microsoft Azure course designed specially for freshers and job seekers. In this course, you will master the Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform, including Azure Compute Services, Azure Storage Solutions, Azure Networking, Azure Cloud Services, real-time cloud application deployment. You will gain practical knowledge and hands-on experience to become industry-ready. During the training, you will work with Azure Virtual Machines, Azure Storage, Azure Functions, Azure SQL Database. We focus on practical implementation, not just theory. Course duration details. Duration, 8 weeks. Course fee, 25,000 rupees. Includes Azure free account setup, hands-on labs, real-time projects, certification preparation, interview guidance. This course is perfect for beginners who want to build a strong cloud career. Industry expert trainers, real-time practical training, resume building support, mock interviews, job assistance. Limited seats available. Enroll now and start your cloud journey with Microsoft Azure at Yajentio Training Academy. Contact us today to book your seat. Call 74186-02650, 8925-132650, email contact@yajentiotrainingacademy.com. Don't miss this opportunity to build your future in cloud computing. Start your cloud career with Microsoft Azure at Yajentio Training Academy. Course includes Azure Compute, Storage, and Networking, Azure VM, Azure Functions, Azure SQL, hands-on labs, real-time projects, certification preparation, interview guidance. Duration, 8 weeks. Price, 25,000 rupees only. For more career updates, subscribe to follow our channel. Like, share, subscribe for more tech updates. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.